back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
The Hospice of Southern West Virginia are on their way, selling those. Once again, we're giving away 2 wonderful gas cards as well from Little General here tonight. So the 50-50, you do not win the money. Make sure you guys get and hold those tickets. We may draw you for a nice $25 gas card from Little General. So we have the number 7 machine of Zach Sears going to be on the Speedway. Down on the backstretch, you got Bill Pritchard Jr. in that number 0. Wow, there's a lot of wonderful fans of Bill Pritchard Jr. My goodness, I love it. Connor New and Hunter New in the 10 from Team 10 Motorsports, and you'll have Scotty Rose in the number 83R for your Sport Mod. Alrighty, we'll see if, we got one around. It's going to be the 83 machine of Scotty Rose in turn 3 and 4. Good save and good job by Zach Sears by avoiding him. So let's go ahead and get these Sport Mods fired back up once again. Current quick time, Zach Sears, 34.214. Man, that's a blistering lap time here at the Beckley Speedway. That's a much better lap time. It looks like a 17.340. 17.340 this time. So far, the number 94 of Bill Pritchard Jr. going to be quick time with a 15.978 in warm-ups. Hunter New with a 15.834. It'll be Hunter New with a 15.993. Zach Sears with a 16.206, and Scotty Rhodes going to be your top 5. So Bill Pritchard Jr. fans, quick time with a 15.798 at this time. See who we got. So Dale Cox in that number 83, and then Wes Hendrickson in the number 14. You've got the number 9 machine giving away to the crowd. That's Kirby Suttle. You've got the number 7B of Aniston Bush, my apologies, and Trucker Way in that number 56 machine. You must forgive me, I am a visitor to your guys' Speedway, and let's go ahead and get this session ready to go. Legend cards, we're ready for you here then next. Will anybody beat Bill Pritchard Jr.'s time with a 15.798? Here we go. Sport Mods are green here at the Beckley Speedway. And Sport Mod Division, I'll tell you, my goodness, man, I really love this place. Curtis Griffin used to be one. I remember him. Shout out to Curtis Griffin. Connor New just right there behind him so far. No change in the top 10. Looks like Wes Hendrickson might be the quickest overall in this group. Oh, we got one around. Look out, look out, look out. What a save. We got one around on the infield. That was the number 14 machine of Wes Hendrickson. Good save. Boy, that almost turned disastrous. Well, that will do it here for the Sport Mod Division. Fans, let them hear it. Bill Pritchard Jr., your quick time with a 15.798. Alrighty, so the legend cards are going to be coming out on the Speedway, the Enix legend cards. You got the 10Z or the 10Z, and that might be the 10Z. That's going to be Glenn Mitchell going to be starting things off. You will have Zachary Dayton. You got the number 520 of Ryan Swissheim. You got the 4 of Brandon Haga, and the number 30 of Dirk Snuffer. Going to be your field here for the first session of your Enix legend card. Racetrack's already starting to show a lot of signs of slick in the inside of both corners, right through the middle of 3 and 4 and turns 1 and 2. As the legend cars rip their way around the Speedway, white flag in the air this time by Glenn Mitchell out there with a 16.655. You'll have Zachary Dayton even faster with a 16.450. Ryan Swissham will be their third quick at the 16.811. Checkered flag is in the air here as Zachary Dayton's going to be the quick time overall with a even better. It's going to be a 16.293. He snuck that lap on me here coming off a 3 and 4. So Zachary Dayton's going to be the quick time with a 16.293. 16.293. Jamie's all happy. So hot lap qualifying has begun. Rodney Bailey, BJ Grimshaw, and Joe Milligan going to be the top three. Coming out here, and then you'll have the number 17 of Logan Snyder. So as you have your Park Center Sporting Goods at SCDRA 4 cylinders, Rodney Bailey's going to be the first car to hit the line. He'll set the bar with an 18.138. 18.138 for Rodney Bailey. As Joe Milligan going to go quick time with a 17.459. Logan Snyder out there with a 17.080 in that number 17X, your quick time car this time. Second lap around here for your SCDRA 4-cylinder qualifying, as is still Logan Snyder in the 17.080 bracket this time. Checkered flag should be around as a 51 of Rodney Bailey's going to bring them out on the top out of 3 and 4. It's white flag this time by. White flag throughout the field, and boy, I'll tell you, it's still all Logan Snyder in that number 17, your quickest car of them all. As Snyder continues to work his way through, checkered flag this time by Joe Milligan. Oh my, Logan Snyder just broke a, wow, what a time, 16.655. Logan Snyder just broke the 16 bracket here for your Park Center Sporting Goods SCDRA 4 cylinders, 16.655. So Josh Payne, we got a chance to talk to as he's going to be bringing to the green flag. And Josh Payne says he really wants to win this one here for the UBB. It really means a lot to him as we got a chance to talk to him. You have Josh Grimshaw as qualifying has begun here for your SCDRA 4 cylinders. As Josh Payne's going to be in the 5-star. We'll see what his first time is going to be. Josh Payne with a 17.713. 17.713. Hunter Buchanan with a 17.700. And Josh Grimshaw going to be the 17.419. So it's Josh Grimshaw here for this session. Josh Payne with a 17.136. He'll be quick time for this session. Josh Grimshaw there with a 17.419. Hunter Buchanan with a 17.578 at this time. White flag going to be in the air. It is still Josh Payne, your quickest of them all with a 17.136. Joshua Grimshaw with a 17.419. And Hunter Buchanan still your feed. So Josh Payne's going to go quick time here in this group with a 16.925. 16.925 at this time. You'll have Josh Grimshaw with a 17.419, and Hunter Buchanan will round out the field here for your SCDRA qualifying. So Kirby Suttle with a 16.914. Oh man, I'm gonna get a roar of the cloud of this one. So Bill Pritchard Jr. Are you ready? Quick time! 15.576. All righty. All righty, so more Sport Mod qualifying. That should be an Ashton Bush out of Lebanon, Virginia, in that number 7B. She is 13 years old, and that number 7B. Hunter New, first lap, going to be a better. It's going to be Hunter New with a 15.940. As you will have Hendrickson, third quick with a 15.628. Hunter New in that number 10. Will he do any better? He does. Fourth quick with a 15.695. You guys are awesome. This whole place is awesome. This place is earth-shattering wonderful. As we are ready to go, as Scotty Rhodes out of Bolt, West Virginia in an 83R gets the green flag. Then you out the number 58 machine, out Tucker Ray, and out of Shady Spring, West Virginia, number 56 machine through the inside of 3 and 4. Come on, Scotty Rhodes, make me say quick time. Can you do it out of 3 and 4? We're going to find out. White flag for Scotty Rhodes. 6 quick out there with a 16.647. As the number 56 of Tucker Ray, will he go 5th quick with a 15.995? Checkered flag going to be in the air for Scotty Rhodes with a 16.391. As your number 56 machine, it'll be Tucker Ray with a 6 quick with a 15.953. Ladies and gentlemen, that should do it for your Sport Mods. Fans, I don't know if you can hear you in the back of the pits, but give it up for Zach Sears.